Hey everyone, so this is a video about some sound effects I'm going to do, and they're just really funny sound effects. They're kind of crazy. I can make like car alarm noises, quacking meows, and all these interesting, things, so I hope you enjoy it. Woof, 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 woof. Arr, arr. It sounds like a deaf dog. Okay, scratch that. So that's like maybe a Yamaha motorcycle? I don't know. I don't think that's a Harley. Harleys are more like... like crazy ass, heavy ass noise sound. Chip, 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 chip. Start flapping away. Or you'll be driving around and then a bird will be like driving past your window chirping that Mario tune. I had a Knorr before. He was always chirping at me saying, "Give me food," in a weird chirp manner. Every time I ate, it screeched at me like, "Bitch, you better give me some of that food because I'm hungry and I want some of your nachos." Next thing you know, my mom lets out the bird and it comes flying and flapping around right into my freaking nachos. I was very unappetized after that. I didn't want to eat my nachos. I let the bird have it. So I was like, I am going to kick your bird butt. But I didn't. I just put him back in the cage and he chirped at me for my french fries the next time. Quack, 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 quack. More muffled, compressed sound. That's what my vacuum cleaner sounds like. Please step away from the vehicle. You got 5 seconds before this car detonates. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it explodes. Moo. Or maybe a turkey. And then, that turkey's like running around out in the rain, looking up to the sky when it's raining. It's just like, what is that? And his mouth's getting filled up with rain, and you're just like, turkey, no. Or maybe you have a continuous LED light. I have no idea. I just like making stuff. So I hope you like my video. I'm gonna be doing Music Monday soon, so I have the beats ready for that. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching.